His Eminence is the ENP of Rome. The undisputed leader and head of the Etche nationality. Let me add worldwide. Other very, very respected and government recognized first-class traditional rulers that are here. Other chiefs that are also here to support your traditional rulers or your rural fathers. Leaders of our faith that are also here, the Bishop of Etche, and Secretary of our Canada. Other leaders of Etche nationality that are here, our women, our youth, and also supporters of our struggle. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, let me first thank you for this show of love. I had a similar call on Monday when the Ogbakor Etche came to show support to our government and to assure us that where we stand, that is where they will stand. And today, we're also witnessing another group that is also not too far. A group that was even a parent to that group, if we should go by the old you know what I mean, when before we started creating local government. So you can imagine how happy I am today. I want to assure you one thing. We are not fighting anybody. We appreciate what God has used people to also do in our lives. But we are not going to rule this state on our means. We will rule standing this way I'm standing. If it is only being on our meals to rule, is the way that we will be seen as being loyal. I will walk, pack my few things that I have here, and go and relax in my house comfortably, because it will be a disaster, not just to me, but to everyone, and even my own generation. So I will continue to stand tall and stand on the side. We're asking for only one thing from you. Support us, because our interest is very, very, very clear and straight. We mean well for our people. We want everyone to be free. We want to lead with the fear of God. We want you to express yourself without fear. I have borrowed one thing, especially. Let that one be my own, from our national anthem. A nation where every man should be free of oppression. you're coming here today, you can see how free you are. You're not tensed. Look at how your President General is rolling out requests. If it were before, he wouldn't even dare it now. You can see the difference. It's not about whether I will do all or I won't do, but you can see the freedom. That is the only thing that we need. And that is the thing that keeps you healthy. So let me thank the President General for bringing your people, the great people of Etche, and also you have to Etche there. Etche it covers everywhere. But you are bringing not just Etche nationality, but bringing two local governments, Etche and Omuma, together to come and pay us this solidarity visit. I want to assure you that we recognize all ethnic groups, and we are not here because of any particular group. We are here and standing for rivers. Our greatest support has come not from my own people, but from you. The President General read here that even before my election, that he came to visit me, and I did make some promise to them, is to show that our relationship didn't start today. So for that reason, as a government that has a very listening ear, I've gone through your requests. If we take all these requests, it will be my first 4 years here. No, the first 4. Now we'll start the second one. But we're going to take, just like His Eminence did, he did a summary of the request. We're going to look at those ones and start at once. I need to say this so that when you're going back, you go with them. On the issue of the effect of dredging in that your area, also the cost. I don't think I'm the one, or it's a body man that is coming to dredge there. It is also your people. We are also, at times, not even kind and helpful to ourselves. We're seeing what is happening, we're still encouraging it. But that notwithstanding, we are going to direct the adequate authority to visit the place. On the issue of land grabbing, which is one problem that I'm even tired of attending to. There is no week that I don't get 4 to 5 complaints. I will direct to DSS, I will direct some to police, to the CP. Maybe it's high time we'll come out strong on this matter. Yes. I assure you will do that immediately. Yes. The herdsmen issue, we're working with the Nigerian police. We did a few things, and I believe very soon, those ones are security issues I don't need to discuss with you here, but I assure you we're working on that. You will get resolved very soon. But you also need to help us, give us vital information. The headquarters of the security agencies are in Port Harcourt. You are the leaders and the owners of these places. You know when a new person, a new face enters your community, You know what is happening. Send vital information. You can pass it through your local government chairman, the caretaker chairman. You can send it directly to any other person that you know that can pass this information on to us so that we can have something and work with. By the special grace of God, we are going to take care of those matters. Just be patient. Talked about agriculture. Let me assure you that agriculture is an area that we have promised the very special and personal people of River State that in our 2025 budget, which we have already started, and you don't mind, don't worry about those people that are delusional. They think we are still sleeping. Let me tell you people so that they will hear wherever they are. I wanted to help them. Sincerely, because I know them. And I've said it before. These are people that I've helped. I pay their children's school fees. I pay their house rent. I know somebody said, I didn't know my father was a sheriff. My father was already a sheriff officer from 2005 when I started working in finance. So if he says my father was a sheriff officer, yes, my father was a sheriff officer. Before I started working here, I was even a sheriff manager. So I wasn't a beggar. I had enough that I could eat and send to people. So if you say, I didn't know it was a sheriff, I was a sheriff manager in my own corner. So I wanted to help them. We all knew what happened when they crossed. And how did they cross? Because of our God. For them to make that mistake. They are gone and they are gone. Now, let me tell you. When I wanted to help them, I accepted to help them because what is there? We all one who disagree to agree. They thought they are smart. What is holding them is the declaration of their seat vacant that was done in December 2023. That's what's holding. So they think, well, I know they don't know anything. They think I'm like that. We're not doing any budget to nullify that decision. It is what to send them to their villages. For me, as I'm talking to you, I have started preparing my budget for 2025, which I'm going to present soon. And in that my budget, why did I bring this your budget? My key areas for our 2025 budget: education, which you just mentioned, all the schools; healthcare, which you just listed, primary centers, general hospital; and agriculture. We are going to do roads, but we need to be healthy. We need to our children need to go to quality school. Even if they can't go to private school, let them go to the public ones that have standard. We need to go to good health facilities by government and get standard health care. Even if you cannot afford those private hospitals, when you go to the public one, you can get the same services with the qualified professionals. That is our thinking. And when we get to the issue of agriculture, this issue of unemployment, when we start engaging our youth, they won't have time to involve in crime. So our thinking is to protect and secure our states. So I want to assure you that we are on the right path. With your support, we are going to get there. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. They come to the media and dance. When they go, they cry. It is the truth. We don't know how to dance. We say it the way it is. And stand tall everywhere we go. go to. So let me thank you again, especially for this solidarity visit, and to assure every one of you, I've seen your wonderful presentation. In fact, I would have loved this thing to be when I will be doing town hall meeting. You know, people were disturbing me, do town hall, do town hall. I said, don't know what I will do. But they didn't know why I was delaying it. If I had done town hall that time, assuming I go to Etche, and the chairman, as soon as you know I'm coming, will run away. But now, if I'm going to Etche, I don't even need to inform Ngobo. As soon as he hear, he'll be running down to. So, who is the winner now? If I go to Omuma, the other day I went to check the projects we're doing there. Before I got to the place, the action caretaker chairman is there. If it were before, as soon as they hear I'm coming, they will mobilize people to run away. So you can see what good planning and patience can give to you. Yes. We have been patient, we have planned well, and today all the lines are falling in place. So we don't need to worry. We'll continue to stand with you, defend what you believe in. What do you believe in? You believe fairness. The chief people are noted for standing tall. Oh, you have some bad people there. No, you have bad people there. But the good people that is there is more than the bad people. So the good is winning. And we can see the good here. Look at them. Quality. Even if I don't, I'm not happy for any other thing. I'm happy that we have a founding father. It's not going to hire people from Abia. Or engage some people from Imo. This one, the face is noted anywhere. So it means the right people are identifying with this administration. And for that reason, I will revisit the issue of your commissioners. I will ensure that before the end of this month, somebody will be sitting with us in the State Executive Council representing the wonderful people of Etche. Not Etche nationality now, the local government area. So that you don't mix it up, Omuma already has. So it's Etche. So let me thank you all for this day. God will continue to bless you for your support. We assure you again that those areas of your concern, I'm very happy that the Commissioner for Health is here and you're listening. I hope you've taken note of their concern in terms of the health. Works, are you here? Where's Works? Huh? Okay. We are going to make sure that those areas of concern will immediately commence one or two things so that you know that this government has your ear and your concern. Let me, on this note, thank you on behalf of the government, my family, and pray that this support that you're giving to me, I can't give you as a person, but only one person can give you the greatest support. God Almighty will continue to support you. Thank you, and may God bless you.